Hi, I'm Barb Pearson from White Flower Farm in Litchfield, Connecticut. We love growing clematis here, and we love to train it on a fence. It's a great way to support your clematis while it's growing. Clematis like full sun, so it's very important to plant your clematis where you've got a good sunny location. Make sure when you plant your clematis that you plant it about 3 or 4 inches down from the crown of the plant. That way the buds are protected by soil as they grow up. As soon as your clematis starts growing, it's a good idea to start training it. You can use twine and wrap your clematis around the fence as it's growing up. Clematis like cool roots, so it's a good idea to put some gravel around the top of the plant, or you can use other plants like bedding plants to shade the roots. Make sure you use compost because clematis like nutrients. When you plant your clematis, you can use a balanced fertilizer, and then again, once a month during the growing season, you can put some fertilizer on your clematis since they like to have a little bit of feed. Make sure it's low in nitrogen. As your clematis is growing up the fence, you can train it with the twine, and then a great companion plant for clematis is roses. So try a rose and clematis combination on your fence this summer and it'll be beautiful. I'm Barb Pearson for White Flower Farm in Litchfield, Connecticut.